Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 27th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on gold, we are still making that high low series, so there is still no reason to think that this is going down. As you can see, this is higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Yes, it did turn down, but it could make another higher low, and it could continue up to make this wave C of wave B. If it does decide to make a break of this high-low series at a Fibonacci retracement level, then I definitely would stop looking for longs. But my primary focus on these sort of time frames is definitely still longs. Right now, I have my Fibonacci retracement on just this move. Like I was saying last night in my PM video, this could possibly break this structure and then reject it and continue up like that. So be careful with that because gold definitely does like to make these expanding ABC crescents. But for now, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. If it respects either of these levels, turns back up, breaks structure, I definitely would take it as a long. If it goes down and breaks this structure, but then rejects it, I would definitely take it as a long. If it goes down and takes out this structure, then that is definitely telling me to start looking for shorts on a more longer term basis for the continuation of maybe a big move to the downside on the much higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.